Hello viewers, this is Jia Eco Resort, Roing, Arunachal Pradesh. It's very near to Roing town. They have a very vast space there with a lot of greenery. Presently, they have 5 cottages in function. They are expanding the resort by including more cottages and camping setups. The cottages are made of bamboo. It has one bedroom and bathroom attached. They charged us 2500 including breakfast for one night. It was reasonable, right? They arranged a bonfire also for us last night. It was so relaxing amidst that cold weather. The staff were also very well behaved and responsible. The food was also amazing with the homely touch. This was their dining area. See how much greenery is around there. But I think they can maintain these plants by giving some more care, right? The left side one that you are seeing is their kitchen. This right side one, this was our cottage. We stayed there for one night and the next day morning we started our ride to Mayodhya. I think this resort can offer you a very relaxing family time with good food and pleasant stay. The mobile network was very slow there, so we kept our phone aside and enjoyed our time. Sometimes we need to get rid of our busy life also, right? We started our ride to Mayodhya at 9 am in the morning. Mayodhya is a peak point in Arunachal. It is situated at 56 kilometers from Roing town. In between, in Roing, in the right side you can see the Mahavo Wildlife Sanctuary, and that is the way to Sally Lake. We didn't stop anywhere and we continued to our aim point Mayodhya. We took 2.5 hours to reach Mayodhya Pass. The roads were pretty good. The roads are made by BRO, Border Roads Organization. But there were some stretches with slightly bad condition. That was not a big problem. We just need to be some more cautious through that bad roads. The weather was also favorable for us. As we reached the height, it was freezing. During this ride, jacket and gloves is a must. At some points the roads were narrow and people need to be more careful. The hairpin curves were risky sometimes, but we continued without any problem. See, this is the condition of roads at some points. We enjoyed the dense forest around us. We can see small waterfalls also as we go up. In between we will reach a small village called Tiwari Gaon. It is right in the middle of Mayodhya and Roing. See the view, guys. How amazing. We hardly saw, I think, 10 to 15 vehicles in total throughout our journey. The vehicles were very less. Trucks which carry load to the top, other bike riders, some tourists, that's all. Along the side of the road, there were bisons, sometimes alone, sometimes in group. They were very calm and quiet. They were enjoying their food along the roadside without doing any disturbance to the travelers. As we approached the height, The density of the forest was increasing. It was utter silence around. At some areas, we saw remains of landslides also. It was scary. When we cross that areas, we need to be careful. As we go up, we encountered fog also. But that didn't cause any hindrance to our journey. The fog got cleared within no time, and we continued without any problem. The rowing to Mayodhya stretch is heaven for riders. Only thing is that we need to be careful at some points. If we look deep to the valley, the view will be scary. So, look up and enjoy the nature. Now we are about to reach the Mayodhya Pass. These are all part of Himalayas. If we visit these places in December or January, we can experience snowfall also. But at that time, the bike ride will be very risky, I think. We can hire a car with an expert driver to reach these amazing viewpoints. In between, we saw one small village type area with houses, so we stopped there for some time. From here, there is only 3 kilometers to Mayodhya Pass. There was one hotel there, but it was closed. Yeah, we reached the Mayodhya Pass. There was an army camp and a temple there, and the view was unforgettable. From here, we can go to Anini viewpoint, which is 170 kilometers from Mayodhya Pass. Here we took some amazing photographs and enjoyed the view for some time. Thank you for watching.